Christmas has come early this time. To make the roast, preheat your Mika Air Fryer to 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Pat dry a whole chicken and stuff it with lemon wedges, a bulb of garlic, and sprigs of rosemary. Then drizzle olive oil all over it and generously sprinkle salt. Mix mixed herbs and paprika and then sprinkle and rub it on the bird. Tuck the wings to the back and then place it breast side down in the basket of the air fryer. Cook for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius and then turn it around and cook for another 30 minutes. Once it is ready, let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before carving. To make the creamiest mashed potato, use the whipping attachment in the Mika food processor. Add boiled potatoes, butter, milk and salt and then whip it up until it is super creamy. Onto the gravy. Heat a pan and add all the juice that came out while roasting the chicken. Add some flour and whisk. Then add some stock and freshly ground black pepper and let it thicken. Carve the chicken and serve it with some mashed potato and a generous pour of that really simple and flavorful gravy. Happy holidays!